So if you want to open 3ds file, you can't. I just added that, by the way. So what you have to do is get this extension. Drag it and drop in Blender. Allow online access. Right here, I'll tick that. Once you tick that, press add-ons. No, you get that, bring it there, and then it's already installed, but then you can just do, and you can see that's gonna pop up. Click. So we're gonna go .3ds file, import. Now you got 3ds files. That's how you do it. There's gonna be a link in description for all this. It's just extension. You can search it up even. You can even search up preference add-ons. Autodesk 3ds Studio, that's it. But link is going to be in the description. Thanks. Subscribe, like.